Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In today's video, I'll be working on disassembling this Honda Civic. And the first step in doing so is removing all the plastic. So let's get to it. First plastic on the chopping block is this wiper motor shroud. First, what I have to do is remove these wiper blades, which is, they take 14 millimeter each one. So there's two of them. So once I remove them, then I can get to the plastic underneath. And there you go. That right there is the wiper motor. These are the wiper motor arms. Now what I have to remove is this right here. Bada bing, bada boom. See ya. Definitely can't forget about this right there. Even this starter ground wire that I removed is perfect to keep, especially if you need to add more grounds to your engine. Next up is the wiring on the side and the brake booster. I'm using this 10 mil to remove these lines on the side. That's one line off. And now the second and final one. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Now it's time to get these 12 millimeter nuts. Nut one. Come. That's right, nut two. Hammer time. When in doubt, pry it out. That's right. Yeah. Damn. Still has its usage. But right now, it's going in the bin. We're done with the front for the time being. Now it's time to move to the interior. Like most car interiors, this one has a ton of plastic. So let's see what we got. We have the cup holder. We have the side panels. What else we got? More side panels that we need to remove. Headliner, of course. The interior only has that bit right there that needs to be removed. And of course, the carpeting, which the carpeting is going to be a bit more of an issue, mainly because it has so much debris inside it. So it would be one huge mess. With that being said, let's get started. So the first plastic piece of the interior that I will be removing is this side panel right here. Went ahead and remove this Phillips. It looked like this is the only thing that's holding this panel in place. So let me go ahead and try and yank it out. I was wrong. There's actually a 12 millimeter bolt right here that's actually still holding it in place. So let me go ahead and remove that. Yeah. Out. Now this piece right here. scrambled lizard eggs. That's it for this side of the car. Now it's time to move to the next side. This passenger side is the same as the driver's side. All I have to remove is that 12mm bolt right there and the Phillips. The fun part. Now it's time to remove this panel next. Okay. Next thing I'll be removing is this clapped out cup holder. Removing this cup holder is pretty simple. It comprises of 4 Phillips screws. She gone. Fortunately enough, I don't need to remove the dashboard in order to chop up this vehicle, so I'm definitely going to skip that in order to save some time. What I will be doing is removing the carpeting. The carpeting is quite simple to remove. All I need to do is remove these two 10mm bolts, that footstop. Also, cut down this center right here. Cut that in half. Also, cut down this center as well. All I have to deal with is just a mess. All right, let's get to it. Wow, this carpeting, oh man, this floor mat is clapped out. Holy shit. Alright, this will definitely be the easiest one to remove. Time to go, footrest. Come on. It looks like I may have to remove this as well, so let's see what we got. Okay. Also got one on the other side. I'm going to see if I could get to that as well. Yep, second one. And now what I'm going to do is take a razor blade and cut down the center. I believe I removed all the primary points that was keeping the carpeting in place. All I have to do now is to take it out. Like that, bye-bye carpeting. Next thing I'll be removing is this plastic trimming attached to the A, B, and C pillar. Let's get it. Now it's time to do the driver's side. Last but not least is the headliner. All that's left is what you see now, which I'm not very concerned about. But what I won't be leaving behind are these seatbelts. They make for fantastic toe straps. Material that they are made out of is super durable. And the way I'll be removing them is to pull it out fully and then severing it with a razor blade. There goes one. There goes two. That is mostly everything that I've taken out of the interior. That is quite the pile, y'all. I mean, look at that. Imagine all that was once in here. And look at it now, just about barren. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, progress, no matter how small, is progress overall. Peace.